forward with the professional bout number 12, the bantamweight division. Ladies and gentlemen, we now move into the professional bantamweight division right here at the Warriors Dream Series 16, the fight night. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, representing Shubham MMA Academy, trained under the coach Shubham Shetty, all the way from Hyderabad, Telangana. Make some noise for Karan Singh Yadav.
In the night when the world is asleep, we stay awake with thoughts running deep. We are warriors fighting silent wars, chasing dreams behind closed doors. Warriors in a world of dreams, facing fears, tearing out the seams. We are warriors in the night we gleam, living life like it's more than it seems. Warriors in a world of dreams, facing fears, tearing out the seams. We are warriors in the night we gleam, living life like it's more than it seems. I'm the king, yeah.
And now, his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, a farmer, a fighter, representing the elite fight city, Amritsar, trained under the coach, Gurkirat Singh Gill. Please welcome the homeboy, Karandeep Singh.
Fighting silent wars, chasing dreams behind closed doors. Warriors in a world of dreams, facing fears, tearing out the seams. We are warriors in the night we gleam, living life like it's more than it seems. Warriors in a world of dreams, facing fears, tearing out the seams. We are warriors in the night we gleam, living life like it's more than it seems. I'm the king, yeah.
Technique, discipline, and execution. Only one walks out with the winning momentum. This is Warrior Dream Series 16, the fight night.
They were asking if 3 are outside, can 2 come inside? The same both of you can come inside.
So we have yet another bout, guys. This is a pro MMA fight. Karan Singh Yadav versus Karandeep Singh. So it's Karan versus Karandeep. So Karan Singh is a very fluid striker. He's got a lot of fluidity in his strikes. So I expect that he's going to keep it the same. Whereas Karandeep, on the other hand, is brute force. Karandeep is in the advantageous position.
Right hand you stay, आवाज नहीं चली गई. Right hand you stay, right hand you stay. Leg for the knees. Knees. Bring your knees. Yes.
He's trying for the arm triangle. Needs to get that arm isolated. And that's not going to be possible now. So Karandeep is dominating the fight as of now. So Karan needs to escape this somehow and get to striking. Very fluid striker. That is one saving grace, I would say. He's going to do good on his feet. Because as of now, Karandeep is manipulating his weight really well. He has Karan Singh pinned down. So that's the difference between both of these athletes. So Karan relies on his fluidity as a striker, whereas Karandeep Singh lands brutal, powerful blows as evidenced by the start of the round. So that is his brute force, is his striking style. So he's going to be using more of that. Karan has a chance to get on the feet. That was an axe kick attempt. Karandeep tries to pass his guard and he reverses the position. With superior defense shown by Karan Singh Zadav, he's doing good as of now. He has managed to reverse positions. Maybe he transitions into a ground and pound. Karan has him locked. It's a battle of Karans. It's a tongue twister. So Karandeep has him locked in a triangle. He's got him locked in a triangle. There's a good chance Karan Singh sleeps from this. The triangle looks tight. He needs to lean into it a little bit so that the arm and the arteries get squeezed. Crazy escape, crazy escape. Props to Karan Singh Zadav. Props to him. So Karan Singh can land some good strikes from here. But he's going to go for the back. He's going for an RNC. He has a hook in. He just needs to close it up. And he has it. He has locked it. Does he get the tap? Does he get the tap? A few strikes. Does he get it? So Karandeep is defending with his chin pretty well. It's going to be difficult not to end up in a crank. And he defends it well. Defends it super well. Karan Singh landing some great strikes. Karan gets another takedown. Karandeep.
When the world is asleep, we stay awake with thoughts running deep. We are warriors fighting silent wars, chasing dreams behind closed doors. Warriors in a world of dreams, facing fears, tearing out the seams. We are warriors in the night we gleam, living life like it's more than it seems. Warriors in a world of dreams, facing fears, tearing out the seams. We are warriors in the night we gleam, living life like it's more than it seems. Whoa, I'm the king, yeah. I'm the warrior.
So we commence round 2. So both of them had their moments in the first round. That's what we're looking for. That's the spinning thing. That's the fluidity of a striker that Karan Singh possesses. There's the takedown. Does it complete? And both of them scrambling pretty well. So again, it's a cage. Solid takedown by Karan Singh Jadhav. Now is the time. Get to mount. There's a good chance to get into mount. He is here. Karandeep defending really well by holding on to the wrist. Wrist control is really good. That was a crazy dodge on his part. Needs to scramble. So in the last round, Karan Singh did have the chance for an RNC. Maybe that is the case this time. Maybe he tries to slip. And no, that is not the case. The gator roll saves the day. Loving the fight so far. They're again in the same situation. He has the chance for an RNC, but can he complete it? So Karandeep is defending really well with his chin. So let's see if this is the case this time. Just look at the wrist control. He escaped a similar situation in mount, escaped a strike, held on to the other wrist for control, and he's doing it now. That wrist control is proven to be really effective. They're on the feet now. Let's do this. Both of them are striking. And he does a slam. That was a good slam by Karandeep. He gets the dominant position too. He is in guard, but I feel like he can pass it. Yes, he does pass it. We'll try to get to half guard, and it was a good reversal attempt by Karandeep is finally in mount. This could be the decider. Needs to land strikes to make it a TKO. Submissions from this position will be a bit difficult, I feel, for Karandeep. But then again, he can land those strikes. Karan Singh is trying his best to get that underhook in, control the arm, and benefit from that defensive situation. Such good ground scrambling by both of them. It is 50-50 on the ground right now. And Karandeep emerges on top. He still has the dominant position. He just needs to convert it. He's right next to his corner. Smart move by him. You can see his coach Gurkirat. So Karan Singh has a good sweep opportunity right now, but he just needs to leverage it pretty well, which I feel in a pressure situation might be a little difficult. And he does the sweep. He had that opportunity, he takes it. Real good scrambling by Karan Singh. And he lands those strikes. He's doing really well. Oh, and he taunts him. Trying to get inside control. He's in mount. Now's the chance. If the strikes land, there's a chance for a TKO. So there's 10 seconds remaining. He's landing those strikes and the round ends. Good job by both of these fighters. They're putting up an exciting fight. So cardio is going to be a big factor in this matchup, especially when you're grappling so much. It is bound to gas you out. So will that be the case in both of these fighters? We shall know in the next round.
We are warriors, warriors. We are warriors, warriors. We are warriors, warriors. We are warriors, warriors.
So we commence round 3 now. So Karan with the fluid combination yet again, and he lands a solid shin right to the face of Karandeep. Karandeep is a pro for facing that and still continuing the fight. There was good resilience on his part. He's again in the dominant position. Karan has done some good sweeps and reversals in this fight. So he's spinning the arm down, that's controlling the arm. He could set for an armbar or he could transition into the ground and pound. So guys, that has been one of the strongest arm triangles ever. One of the strongest arm triangles ever seen. Great job by Karan Singh. Was doing the reversals pretty well. He got into that position, secured the submission. Let's hope Karandeep is fine and recovers from that. What an event. The BJJ played a big role in this event. So Karan Singh had a lot of opportunities in this fight for reversals, sweeps, took every single one of them, twisted the fight in his favor, and definitely the arm triangle locking in was the cherry on the cake. Karandeep gets up, man. He is fine, so there's no cause of worry. Good fight by both of these fighters. Really good job. It was the BJJ that was the deciding factor in this fight, and clearly Vijay
Referee
clearly
stoppage, round number
Karan Singh
3.
Zadav gets it, and it's all due to his
Submission,
BJJ.
1 minute 6 seconds. Technical submission, win by blue corner.